Hi everybody and welcome to the channel. I wanted to start today's video out by giving a shout out to my friend from the Happy Neighborhood Project, Brenda. She's your cheap mama. She's your matchmaker for saving money when it comes to shopping, travel, business, services, products, and even education. Here we have her linktree page, and her connection information will be in the description so you guys can reach out and get to know her better. Now on to the video. So we start off with google.com, search OBS, click enter. First search result should be obsproject.com. Underneath it there is a download link. Click on download. You then go to your desired operating system. In this case we are using a Mac, so you click Mac and click download installer. It's going to prompt you to download it. You would click save. It's going to show up in the little download bar at the bottom. Once it's done downloading, click on it, finish the download process, click open. Once it's done downloading, you can then go into the bottom, go into your Launchpad, scroll to the left or right, find OBS, click on it, and it will launch OBS. We are in OBS. To begin with, this screen will be blank for you, and scenes will be empty. So you need to click the plus sign in the bottom left corner here under scenes. Name the scene whatever you would like to name it. I'm going to name ours test. And now we need to add stuff to our scene. We don't have any sources, so down here under sources we're going to click the plus sign. And we're going to add a video capture device. This is going to be our camera. So my camera is my Thunderbolt display camera. So that's what I'm going to name it. You could name it camera or whatever you like. And click OK. And then in this drop down menu it's going to give us an option to find the camera that we have connected to our computer. So I'm going to click on my FaceTime display camera here. And then it'll take a second and poof. Now we have our video feed from our camera. And click OK. And now what we want to do is click on our camera under sources. We want to right click, go to transform, and we want it to fit to screen. So now we have a full screen of our video feed. Now we'd want to add our logo. So you go back to the plus sign under sources. You would click images if you want a static image of a logo. Click image. You can name it whatever you want. I'm going to name ours logo and click OK. Now it's going to ask you to browse and find the logo you're looking for. To here I'm going to use the HNP decal, and I'm going to click open. It's going to import it in here, and we click OK. As you can see now, I have a giant logo over my face. So, like you can resize most things in applications, you grab it by the corner, grab and hold and slide it in to make it smaller. And now you can grab and position this logo wherever you would like on the screen. Once you've got it where you'd like it, down here under sources there's a little padlock symbol. Click that padlock symbol and that will lock it in position. So now I can't accidentally click this, move this, drag it anywhere else. If I wanted to do something again with it, I can click on it, unclick the padlock again. Now as you can see I can drag it, move it to the opposite side, and then lock it back into position. You also have the little eye here where you can make it visible or not visible depending on the event you're having, on whether or not you want that logo up or not. You could also create multiple scenes with different logos, and then you could just jump back and forth between the scenes. Exactly how you'd like it, which you should have everything locked into position on the padlocks. You go down to the bottom right over here and click Start Virtual Camera. So it switches to give you the option to stop, and now you know the virtual camera is running. We want to go to our Launchpad and open up Zoom. Now that Zoom is open, you want to go into the settings, go to video, and now here you can see I'm already on my OBS camera, but normally you could be under the default just the camera, so it would just be my video feed from the camera. But then, if you change the video feed to the OBS virtual camera, you can see the logo gets added, and now this is what will be displayed on my Zoom meeting. So now I can exit settings, and we can see that if I open a new meeting, the meeting is created, and I have my floating logo.